Hey everyone, it's that time of year again. The time when Ugandan students, parents, and teachers collectively hold their breath. Yes, my friends, UNEB results season. And today I'm going to show you how to check your PLE, UCE, or UACE results using just your phone and SMS. No internet required, no fancy apps to download, just you, your phone, and the courage to finally find out how that exam went. Now, you might be thinking, is SMS really the way to go? Well, my friend, let me tell you. SMS is actually the official way UNEB gives students their results directly. It works on any phone. You don't need a smartphone, you don't need internet bundles, you don't need any special apps. Just a simple text message and boom, your results are in your hands. Whether you're in Kampala or the village, as long as you have network and some airtime, you're good to go. All right, here's what you need, and trust me, this list is shorter than my attention span during a physics lecture. Number 1, a phone. Any phone. Even that Nokia 3310 your dad refuses to throw away will work. Number 2, airtime. We're talking about 500 shillings. That's less than a chapati. Number 3, your candidate's index number. Very important. Write it down, screenshot it, tattoo it on your arm, whatever you need to do, don't lose that number. And number 4, courage, because once you send that message, there's no turning back. So here we go. Whether you're checking PLE, UCE, or UACE results, the process is exactly the same. So pay attention, I'm only going through this once. Step 1, open your messaging app. You know that icon you use to text your friends about homework or gossip. No judgment. Step 2, create a new message. Step 3, type the exam level, then a space, then your index number. That's it. Step 4, send it to 6600 and boom. Within seconds to a few minutes, your results will come through. Now, let me show you exactly what this looks like for each level. For PLE students, you type PLEU 1234/567. For UCE students, you type UCEU 1234/567. And for UACE students, you type UACEU 1234/567. See? Same process, just different exam levels. Easy peasy. Now here comes the scary part, waiting for that reply. Those 30 seconds will feel like 30 years. You'll start questioning every life decision you've ever made. Should I have studied harder? Should I have eaten breakfast before that math exam? Should I have been nicer to my teacher? Pro tip, before you hit send, double check that index number. Because sending the wrong index number is like showing up to the wrong exam room. Technically, you're there, but nothing good is happening. Also, maybe have a pillow nearby to scream into, just in case. I'm not saying you'll need it, but actually, yeah, you might need it. Especially you, Senior 6 students. I know these results feel like they're determining your entire future. But remember, no matter what those results say, you have options, you have potential, and your journey is just beginning. Before we wrap up, let me give you some pro tips. Tip 1. Make sure you have enough airtime before results day. Seriously, don't be that person scrambling to buy airtime while everyone else is already celebrating. Tip 2. If you don't receive your results immediately, don't panic and please don't spam. Just wait a few minutes. The system might be busy. Remember, half of Uganda is doing the same thing you're doing. Tip 3. Save your results message immediately. Screenshot it, forward it to yourself, write it down, do whatever you need to do because you'll need those results later for applications. Tip 4, the SMS method works 24/7. So, if you're too scared to check at midnight, you can wake up at 3 in the morning when your anxiety won't let you sleep and check then. No judgment. Tip 5, have emotional support ready. Call your friend, your parent, your cat, whoever makes you feel better, because honestly, results day is an emotional roller coaster. Quick troubleshooting guide. Problem: I sent the SMS but got an error message. Solution: check your format. Make sure there's a space between the exam type, like PLE, UCE, or UACE, and your index number. And make sure you're using the correct index number format. Problem: I'm not receiving anything. Solution: check your airtime balance first. Then check your network connection. If those are fine, just wait a bit longer. It might take a few minutes during peak times. So you might be thinking, I received someone else's results. Well, you probably typed the wrong index number. Just go back and check it carefully. And if you got a message saying your results are not available or withheld, okay, just take a deep breath. This could mean a few things. Your results might not have been released yet. UNEB releases results in batches, so each level is released separately. Just be patient. Wait for the official announcement and try again later. Or, your results might be withheld because of issues like exam malpractice, missing payments, or maybe some administrative problems. If that's the case, contact your school or UNEB directly to find out what's going on and how you can resolve it. Don't panic if you get this message, just follow up with your school first. They usually know what's happening. If the SMS method isn't working for you at all, no worries. You have a backup plan. Head to your school. Schools receive results slips for all their candidates, so you can physically go to your school and check your results there. Sometimes the old-fashioned way is honestly the most reliable.
Sensational.
If the results are not what you expected, just take a deep breath. Remember, one exam doesn't define your entire future. There are retakes, and there are multiple paths to success. And that's it, guys. That's how you check your UNEB results via SMS like a pro. Before I go, let me just say this. Whatever your results are, they don't define your worth. They're just numbers that measure one thing you did on a few specific days. Your value, your potential, your future. Those are much bigger than any grade. But also, I'm rooting for you. I really hope you all get the results you worked hard for. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And, drop a comment below telling me which exam you're checking for. Let's support each other. Share this video with your friends, your classmates, your study group, and anyone else who's about to check their results. Good luck, everyone. You've got this. And remember, whatever happens, life goes on, opportunities exist, and your journey is just beginning. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. And if you're in the mood for more great reads, don't go just yet. Click on one of the videos popping up right now that I think you'll love. And don't forget to give this review a like, leave a comment, or even subscribe if you'd like to see more. Every bit of support helps us grow this little community of book lovers. See you in the next one.